Hello kids, we are learning about the festivals. In last class, we learned about the religious festival. So today, let us see about the national days. So, national days. What do you mean by national days? So, national days means which is celebrated throughout the whole nation, throughout the country. These national days are celebrated throughout the country, as these days are very important to all Indians. So there are three national days. It is Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national days. First, let us see the Republic Day. So, when do we celebrate this Republic Day? Yes, we celebrate this Republic Day on 26th January. So, why we celebrate this Republic Day? Because on this day, Indian Constitution came into force. So, 26th January, Indian Constitution came into force. So, in 1950, January 26th, Indian Constitution came into force. So, we celebrate this 26th January as a Republic Day. So, on this day, we will have a grand parade in Delhi. So, on 26th January in Delhi, we have a grand parade. So, parade means it is a troop of people. So, grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. So, many armed forces, police, folk dancers and school children are some of those who take part in this parade. So, in this grand parade, even tableaus also will be there. Tableaus from different states make the parade lively. So, parade takes place in even the state capital also. So, even on 26th January in New Delhi, the grand parade will be held. And tableaus from different states will make this grand parade lively. So next is Independence Day. So Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. So the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi on this occasion. So on 15th August we celebrate our Independence Day. Why we celebrate? Because it was on this day in 1947 that India won its independence from whom? Is from British rule. So on 1947 August 15 India got its freedom from the British rule. So on this day we celebrate as a Independence Day. So every year a function will held where in Red Fort, New Delhi. So Prime Minister will hoist the flag, national flag, and he will give a speech on this day. So on this day we remember more freedom fighters also who gave their lives for the freedom of our country. So on 15th August 1947 India got its freedom from the British rule. So we celebrate this day as a Independence Day. So Prime Minister will hoist national flag at Red Fort. So Prime Minister will hoist national flag at Red Fort and he will give a speech. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti is a birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So he is lovingly called Bapu. So Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. So who has not heard of Bapu? Yes, that is how we lovingly call Mahatma Gandhi. So that is how we lovingly call Mahatma Gandhi. So we call Mahatma Gandhi as a Bapu because he led the Indians in their fight for freedom from the British. So even we call him as a father of nation. So who is the father of the nation? Is Mahatma Gandhi. So on Mahatma Gandhi ji birth anniversary we celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti. So on 2nd October we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. So function will held in is Samadhi. So what do we mean by Samadhi? So on this day, on 2nd October, function will be held in his Samadhi. Samadhi, it is a monument of the memory of dead person. It is a monument to the memory of dead person. So function will be held at his Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. So where is Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi? It is in Rajghat in New Delhi. So on Gandhi Jayanti day, we will have offer a prayer to Mahatma Gandhi. So even president, prime minister and other offer prayer at his Samadhi. So these are the national days. Which are the national days? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So these are the three important national days. So this is all about festivals. Thank you.